Hello again, boys and girls. It's time for math. We're starting chapter 19 today, and that's counting money. And we start with coins. Now, I don't have a picture of the real coins, which is too bad. But if your mom or dad have some coins in their pocket or in their purse, why don't you get them out and see if you can find the different coins that we're going to talk about today. So the first one's kind of a copper colored, and it has a picture of Lincoln on it, Abraham Lincoln, and that's a penny. A penny is worth 1 cent. That C with a line in it stands for cents or cent. Then we have the nickel, and the nickel is President Jefferson, Thomas Jefferson. Here's the word nickel, and that is worth 5 cents. Then we have the dime. The dime has President Roosevelt on it. Here's the word dime, and it is worth 10 cents. So these are the coins that I want you to study today and kind of figure out what they look like. In your book, they have pictures of them. Realizing that all three coins, penny, nickel, and dime, all have two sides. The one side has a president on it. The other side has different things, so you'll have to look and see what they are. But a penny is always worth 1 cent. So when you count pennies, you count by ones. So say you have 5 pennies on the counter, and you count them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pennies, 5 cents. If you're counting nickels, you have to skip count by fives because a nickel is worth 5 cents. So if I had 5 nickels again, you have to count by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So that's how you count nickels. If you have a group of dimes, you have to count by tens. You skip count by tens. So if you had 5 dimes, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, you would have 50 cents. Now what I'd like you to do today in math is to go to the very first page of chapter 19, and it is called Money. It's hard to see on my screen, but you'll be able to see it. I have it marked with day 1, or first week maybe I have it. What I'd like you to do is the first practice 1. That's page 217 all the way to 222. You can work with mom or dad. You can do this on your own, whatever you feel comfortable with. If there's any time you have a question that you need to ask me, just email me and I'll answer if there's anything in here that you don't understand. But I think this first practice is going to be one that you can do. So go ahead today and do practice 1 of chapter 19, all about money. Another subject I'd like you to work on today is religion. Unless you're all finished with your stations booklet, I'd like you to read and color another station. Try to keep working on this until we get all the way to Good Friday, which is April 10th. And by then I hope that you are done, or at least that you've read through the whole stations booklet, because then you'll be ready to celebrate Good Friday, Holy Saturday, and then Easter Sunday, when Jesus rises from the dead. So please continue working on that. Goodbye now.